What's up, guys? Dave Action Jackson coming at you live. We just got done cooking some. I guess I'm just gonna call it dinner, just because it's kind of late. It's like 10 o'clock, I think. Uh, um, oh, it's like 10:42. Okay, so it's 10:42. Can't really start it. Fucking hold up. Shit. Ah. All right. If you guys can't see it, it's 10:43 now. Um, so I just got done cooking this grilled chicken. I heated up some brown rice that I made 2 days ago, and then I got some black beans. Um, this is what meal I'm having. It's like post workout, like 3 hours later, or 4 hours later. Um, I've been trying to do stuff. Like I had to finish some homework for my math class, so I'm just eating right now. But I put a little bit of um barbecue sauce on the chicken. Um, I seasoned the chicken with some lemon pepper, chili powder, um, paprika, steak seasoning, and regular pepper. And so altogether, it's about, because I was more worried about, like, with the seasonings. I was more worried about more worried about the sodium amount, since I'm kind of trying to cut sodium out of my diet. Not all the way, but like just lower it, I guess. But this is like pretty much um like a giant example of complementary protein. So you got beans and rice. You got the grilled chicken, so it's just regular protein with a little bit of fat in it. Because to me, I don't really want to separate the fat off of the chicken. Though it'd be nice to do it, but I just don't have like the necessary want to do that. I know a lot of people do it, but we're not on the same plane. Or I don't want to say that we're not on the same level of eating, I guess. Because not like I don't want to make fun of anybody who eats like super clean. This is an example of eating clean. I just don't have any kind of greens on here, but there's vegetables right here. Got my rice, so grains, and then there's some protein, and then I got a cup of water. So it's like a cup, like 2 cups of water right here. But um, yeah, this is it, guys. My meal, my like 2.5 meal today. Um, it's kind of hard to get food in. Like that's one of the main things that if you have like a busy schedule, it's really hard to get food in. So one of the things I would recommend, because I mean, I have some time to get like a couple meals ready for for one day, but not like for a whole week. I don't have enough time to like cook chicken, like baked chicken for like 4 hours or whatever, because I won't be home to check it. So, um, or like an hour. I don't know what I was thinking. 4 hours, but yeah, I think that like if you like an easier way to do it, would be because this worked for me, um, and so I think this will work for you or whoever's watching the video right now. I think this will work for you. So one thing I do is I'll cook chicken. Like I'll take 2 or 3 chicken breasts. And the chicken breasts I get usually are like um, like if I had to give a size range, they'd probably be a little bit taller than this cup. This cup is pretty big because it's bigger than my hand, or almost, but it's pretty big. It'd be probably a little bit longer than that, and it would most likely like the chicken breast because they're kind of wide too, so they're thick and wide, or long and wide. Um, And yeah, it's um what I do is I'll cook that on the grill and I'll season it. Like I'll spray the grill, then I'll season it with like whatever seasonings I listed earlier. So like lemon pepper, um, chili powder, uh, paprika, and steak seasoning. Occasionally, I'll just use steak seasoning and chicken seasoning because there's no sodium in them. Um, it's a mix, a blend of seasonings. So, um, just take that, cook like two or three chicken breasts, chop it up after you cooked it all the way through. Cause I hate it. Like when people say, "Oh, I like my meat like medium rare," or like kind of rare. I hate that. I cannot eat raw meat. So I'll cook it all the way through. And like I work at Wendy's, so whenever people say like, "Oh, I want my fries well done," or I want my hamburger patty well done. I'm not really sure what that means because it sounds stupid. Like if you're asking for French fries that are well done, like they cook all the way through either way. But if they're well done, usually we call that burnt. Just like hamburger patties, if they're like fresh off the grill, and they're done right, it's kind of weird to ask for meat. I want it well done. That's burning it basically. But yeah, it's I like my meat done all the way. But anyway, so chop that up and you gotta like chop it up into strips, not into cubes. Chop it into strips because the strips probably it's more size, so that's less you'll eat per meal. But well not less. It's just per meal you pretty much have to space out the pieces. So like say you have like you cooked a cup of rice and it turned out to be like a lot of rice. Um, that's a half a cup per, like say, four pieces of chicken breast. So half a cup per four pieces of chicken breast, or five pieces. So five like strips of chicken breast, and then like whatever veggie you want, a cup of veggies, because that's you need 3.5 cups of veggies. I think that's the um R or the standard basically. I can't remember the name of it, but the DRI. There you go. Daily recommended intake. Um, you need like 3.5 cups of veggies, so that'll cover that. Um, so 1 cup will cover it. Um, that's per meal. So say you have that. So you got your rice or your chicken or your veggies. You just have to even it out basically, and even it out in one meal, and then even it out for like two or three other meals. And then that's that. Like this could be 3 meals right here, but I'm making this one meal just because I haven't really had very much to eat all day. I went to the gym earlier for 2.5 hours, and I hit my chest and my biceps. So yeah, this is all like what I'm getting right now. That in the water. Like I would have made some real food, but I made that last night and I kind of fucked it up because I was at work at the time. I brought my personal blender with me, and well, brought one of my personal blenders. I have approximately four because over the years, like after watching so many videos of people who have Ninja blenders and like Blendtec blenders and all those types of blenders, I'm like, I want a cool ass blender like that, but I won't take a blender like that to work though. Fuck that, because I know I can't trust any of my coworkers to not try to take the shit that's at work. But yeah, like this is the meal I'm having. Try that out though. Try like spacing the meals out, even them out, and like and what you could do if you don't have Tupperware, get little plastic baggies, like little sandwich baggies, like Ziploc sandwich baggies. Put four of those chicken slices, half a cup of rice, and then like a cup of veggies in there, or a half a cup of veggies, even 3/4 of a cup of veggies. Um, put that in there. And I promise you that meal is gonna be like that's the starting point of you like how you proportion your meals out because you'll learn from that to do it to other meals. And that's pretty much how I figure out how to eat on a time basis. Because some people are like, oh, you gotta eat right, you gotta eat the right foods and all that, but they don't ever tell you what kinds of foods. So like the examples I told you right now, though, that's an example of a type of meal you can have. Um, there's also you could snack on like some like just fresh veggies like broccoli, because you don't have to eat broccoli like straight out the like straight hot. You can eat it cold or carrots. You have carrots or apples, bananas, anything like that. So like fruits and veggies. I wouldn't recommend eating Brussels sprouts frozen or like raw or like um Brussels sprouts. I'm not really sure what kind of vegetables you can't eat raw. Um, well, I'm gonna say okra. Okra. Don't make this a racist thing, guys, because okra, anybody can eat okra. Um, I know some restaurants that have it. I don't know which ones, but some have it. So, yeah. Um, that's it, guys. I just want to show you my meal basically, but I am watching this thing. I'm watching Rurouni Kenshin. I need to clean my desk off though. I got my Xbox up there, my PS4, Xbox 360. Um, watching Rurouni Kenshin. I got some shit I gotta do, guys. I'm waiting for my box spring to get here because this is my old bed and this is my new bed. I bought this bed from Walmart and I opened it yesterday. I was struggling with it because I didn't know how to open it because it was in this big ass box right there. And the box has a bag in it. Well, the bed was in a bag, bought it from Walmart, and I was over here trying to figure out how to open it. So I opened it, took the tape off, and the bed exploded open. And I was like, "What the fuck?" Like it scared me because I had a knife in my hand, and when it busted open, I had all kinds of knife flying out of my hand action going on. So it was kind of like the scariest shit ever. And then it made me laugh because I was on the phone at the time with one of my friends, and I noticed that she started laughing. I was like, that was so not what I wanted to do right now. I was scared. Some stuff happened, but anyways, guys, you can see my bench is set up pretty nicely. It's pretty clean. Got my weights back there. It's kind of lonely back there though. Got my scale back there too. Haven't stepped on it in like a month or two, but Um, some stuff is going on, guys. So I got my homework right here. Don't want to do it. I hate math. That's my math homework. So I hate math. Don't think I don't do math, but I just hate math, even though I'm a cashier. But yeah, that's it, guys. See you guys later. I'm about to post this video, and then I was trying to make the video of me cooking this shit, but my aunt was bugging the fuck out of me because she kept coming in the kitchen, and she was just like she made it to where like if you heard me talking, you would not be able to hear me talking. Like this video would not be heard if she was still in the kitchen. So I was trying to cook, and I mean I cooked, but I was trying to like do that, and she was just making all kinds of noise. So I was like, fuck it, I'll just make the video when I get done. So I did that, and yeah. So I'll see you guys later. Be sure to check this video out. Try out what I just told you guys to try out. Um, try that type of meal prep because I know people don't like to take the time to actually cook, but it you learn from it after a while. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'm out this biatch. It's almost bedtime. So